Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll help you troubleshoot when your UAE Pass app won't open or keeps crashing. Try these solutions in order. First, force close the app and restart it. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom and pause, then swipe up on UAE Pass. On Android, go to Settings, Apps UAE Pass, force stop. Next, check your internet connection. UAE Pass requires a stable connection to open properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps UAE Pass Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General iPhone Storage, UAE Pass Offload App, then reinstall. After that, update the UAE Pass app from your app store. Older versions may have compatibility issues with your phone's current OS. If still not working, uninstall and reinstall the UAE Pass app completely. You'll need to log in again with your credentials. As a last resort, restart your phone entirely, then try opening UAE Pass again. If these steps got your UAE Pass working, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.